Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Monday morning weather hazard briefing for southeast Idaho. Taking a look at the key points for this forecast period, we're expecting isolated to scattered afternoon and evening thunderstorms through at least Thursday. We'll see some areas continuing into Friday and Saturday, but for the most part, we'll see drier and warmer conditions filtering into the region by Friday, and that will continue into the weekend. And then we might also see some locally breezy conditions here on Saturday and Sunday, getting back to something that looks like normal for southeast Idaho. Looking at our weather risk outlook matrix of doom, chance of showers throughout the period here. Looking at satellite imagery this morning, we do have a low pressure system here across the northwest states. It's not very well formed, pretty broad trough, and it's promoting some thunderstorm activity across here, which you are seeing some things bubbling up in the imagery there from yesterday. Taking a look at the storm track for today, here we see that low pressure trough across the region, and as we work our way into the afternoon hours today, we do have a chance of showers and thunderstorms, primarily focused here across the central mountains and some, to a lesser extent, the northeast highlands and south central highlands. We might even see something sneak out into the Snake Plain here, but the chances are pretty low. Daytime highs today generally running in the 70s here throughout the Snake River Plain, eastern Magic Valley, and mid-60s to mid-70s in the central mountains. If you get across the southeast highlands, we'll be poking up there towards 75, 80 degrees. Advancing the storm track to Wednesday, things don't change much. That low is still lingering across the region, so that will continue to promote afternoon showers and thunderstorms focused primarily across the higher terrain. Here we are looking at a chance of precipitation in the central mountains, northeast highlands, and then a slight chance across the remainder of southeast Idaho. By the time we advance out to Friday, we see that low-pressure trough now ejecting east across the divide through Wyoming with some westerly winds breaking into the northwest. So that'll bring us that drier conditions here Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and maybe even a chance of some breezes here across southern Idaho by Saturday and Sunday. Looking at the chance of precipitation, that reflects the drying conditions here on Friday. Most of the activity is now pinned up across the Island Park area, and a slight chance at that with the probability of precipitation only running from about 15 to 25% across the eastern highlands. As well, looking at the high temperatures, we can begin to see temperatures beginning to rise above normal by as early as Friday, and certainly by Saturday and Sunday, with the afternoon highs generally running in the lower 80s here in the upper valley to the mid 80s here down in the eastern Magic Valley. And if we get up into the central mountains, upper 70s, lower 80s, and similar readings here across the southeast highlands. So things warming up, starting to look a lot like summer. As I mentioned, as we get out into Saturday and Sunday with those westerly flow kind of breaking into the region, we might see increasing wind gusts here, not terribly strong, 15 to 20, 25 mile an hour here across the Snake River Plain, eastern Magic Valley. Okay, in summary, we do have isolated to scattered afternoon and evening thunderstorms expected through Thursday. We are looking at drier and warmer conditions beginning to filter into the region Friday into the weekend as that westerly flow breaks across the area. And then as a result of that westerly flow, we may see some locally breezy winds Saturday and Sunday. Who knows? If you had any comments or questions or concerns, please reach out to us at one of the avenues here on the screen. Thank you.